I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to download Figma slides as PDF. If you've created slides or a presentation in Figma, you might want to export them as a PDF for sharing, printing, or presenting offline. To begin, open your browser and go to Figma, log into your account, and open the file that contains your slides. Once your file is open, make sure your slides are organized properly. The good news is that Figma makes it very easy to export your designs in high quality. Next, look toward the left-hand Properties panel. Click on the actual Figma logo. Then from that, scroll and select File. Under it, you'll find a section labeled Export Frames to PDF. Click on it. Now choose the color profile as well as the quality and click on Export. Figma will now process your selection and download your slides as a single PDF file to your device. Each frame will appear as a separate page in the PDF, maintaining the layout and design of your slides. As you can see, the file has been downloaded as a PDF. Using Figma to export slides as a PDF is useful for sharing presentations, printing documents, and sending files to clients or teams. To summarize, downloading Figma slides as a PDF involves selecting your frames, choosing PDF in the export settings, and clicking Export. Each frame becomes a page in the final PDF file. And that's how to download Figma slides as a PDF. By organizing your slides into frames and using the export feature, you can quickly create a clean, shareable document. This is especially useful when presenting your work, sending it to clients, or keeping a backup of your designs. You can also experiment with different export settings depending on whether you need high-quality prints or smaller file sizes for easy sharing. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.